The original brewery was founded in 1859, which makes it not only the oldest brewery in Colorado, but actually the oldest brewery west of the Missouri. Unfortunately, the original brewery closed in 1969, but was resurrected in 2014 when we started building this facility inside the original brewery building. So that opened in August of 2015. So we've been operating back inside the old brewery for almost 4 years now.
All of our Sprinkman equipment works great. Our tanks hold their seals extremely well, and they help us put out a great product. Our brew house is roughly 50% electronic, so all of our pumps and our temperatures, steam jackets are all regulated via a computer screen, and then all of our valves and flows are regulated manually. The manual valves, it takes a lot of steps in a day. There's a lot of moving around. You just have to be on top of it, managing a couple of brews at a time. You need to check, triple check, double check your valves, make sure the right ones are open, and try to stay on top of them.
Oh, I love the Sprinkman system. It's super nice to use. After using a few other systems, I definitely envy or long to use the Sprinkman system again. It's so nice. The louder ton dimensions is super ideal for doing wheat beers. Never have an issue with a stuck sparge. With the underlet system, it's really nice. In case I do get a stuck sparge, you can just turn on the underlets and let it blast, and there's no more stuck sparge. All of our beers are either on tap, well, it's distributed statewide. So you can either get it on tap statewide or buy it in a liquor store in can statewide.